Want your skins and cosmetics to load instantly without blurry textures? By default, Fortnite installs the bare minimum to get you into a game quicker. This means that skins and assets are downloaded as you encounter them in game. This can lead to unnecessary lagging since you're downloading data as you play. Let's turn off cosmetic streaming so your assets are pre-downloaded. First, let's go to the Epic Games Launcher library. Click on the three dots under the Fortnite title. And then click on Options. Check Pre-download streamed assets and click Apply. This helps load all your cosmetics at full quality. No more texture pop-ins. Just keep in mind, this might increase Fortnite storage usage a bit, but it's worth it for smoother, better looking gameplay, especially if you want everything ready to go. And that's it. Cosmetic streaming is now disabled and you're ready to drop in style. Hit like if this helped, and check out more quick Fortnite guides on the channel.